determination, hard work, and talent. This is Chef Cookie. I'm Chef Cookie. And today we are making dark chocolate fudge brownies. You better pay attention if you want to make Chef Cookie's magnificent brownies. The ingredients we are using today is vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, water, and finally, brownie mix. We're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's get to cooking. The first step of making Chef Cookie's magnificent brownies is to add the brownie mix. Now that we have our brownie mix in our bowl, we are going to get 2 large eggs. Now it's time to pour the water and oil in. Now it's time to mix all of our ingredients until it becomes a smooth batter. Now that it's all mixed, we're going to pour it in our greased pan. It's all ready to pop into the oven for 23 minutes. An important part about being a chef is you always have to clean your dishes. The brownies are cooled off out of the oven, and now we're going to cut it up and test one. Let's dig in. Oh. The taste is immaculate, and the texture is just so perfect. 10 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching this. Make sure to stay tuned for more cooking episodes with me, Chef Cookie.